Hey guys, it's me Ryan, and I'll be showing my cats. So, as you see, this is one of them. My other one. So, the first one I'm going to show you is this little guy. He's actually my oldest cat. His name is Gary. He is 4 years old. His birthday is April Fool's Day. And he's kind of mean. Wanna say hi? I'm surprised he even let me do that. He's probably like really mad. Yeah. He's really fat. Yeah. And I'll be showing my 1-year-old cat. He's a kitten, I guess. He's sleeping. He's 1 year old. Did I say that? Yeah, I'm probably sure I did. And yeah, he's an orange 1-year-old. Yep, that's him. His name is Harry. Oh, he woke up. So yeah, these are my kitties. I love them. Actually, before this guy, so I had a kitten, then him, but he's tired. My kitten died. He was sick. My mom found him in a puddle, and she brought him home. All my cats were actually free, I think. Yeah, we were gonna name him Pet Puddles because he was in a puddle, but we actually named him Skittles because he liked my Skittle socks, and we had to keep him in a box because he was so tiny. He was a little bit bigger than his paw. Like fit in my hand. He was so small, but he was so sick because when he walked, he pooped and peed. Yeah, and then he died, and my mom's friend found him, and we got him for free. And then actually Harry, they were gonna give him away downstairs. The people who live downstairs from me, they were gonna give him away because his brother, he had a bone sticking out, so they couldn't give him away. They were gonna give him away because they were getting a new dog because their dog Tank died, and they didn't want that many animals. So yeah, that's how we got them. Yeah. So I have 3 cats in my whole life, and I had a water frog that he ate, and I had fish that he knocked down that I gave to my grandma, and he lived a long time, but he died. So yeah, I've had a lot of fish in my life. That's just about me. I like animals, and my favorite animal is cat.